Hello everybody, myself Gauri Prakash Kadam. I am from Mumbai, Maharashtra and a second year student from Kharkiv National Medical University. I am here in Kharkiv, Ukraine and I am a student from Edupedia Overseas. So today on the Christmas day we will be hanging out with the first year students. So let's get started. Hello again. So we are with our first student. Can you tell something about yourself, your name and where are you from?
My name is Lakshay Gulati and I am from Ludhiana, Punjab.
Okay, so you are the first year medical student. Can you tell me which university you are from?
I am from Kharkiv National Medical University.
And how many days have you been? Like how long are you here?
It has been 1 week, approximately 1 week.
Okay, so how was your experience here in this 1 week?
It has been marvelous. I think that in the hostels or anything in the university also, we have been to the university one time and we have our experience in the hostels also. The staff is very helpful and whenever we go to them, whenever we message them they respond very immediately. So it has been a great experience. I have found my friends and found a 4-room and I'm very happy here.
That is really nice to hear. Thank you so much. Hello girls, so how are you all?
Fine.
And Merry Christmas first of all. So how long it's been you are here in Kharkiv?
It's been a week.
So can you tell me about your experience, all of your experience, how it's been overall?
It was a new experience. First of all, we have come from India to a new country and we got Indian food here like chole bhature, and then they have taken us to mall, Dafi Mall, where we have seen many shops and they explained to us where we can find our daily needs.
So as you said about the mess that you have Indian food, can you tell everyone more about the mess? Like what all food is being given, what all precautions have been taken as everyone knows that it's COVID situation now. So what all precautions have been taken during this pandemic?
Firstly, the food is very neat and clean. Everyone there wear mask. So the day we came, we all got chole bhature. That all made us very excited, and everything we get there is pretty well, tasty, yummy,
Okay, so about the mess. Now let's start talking about the hostel. Which hostel are you people staying in?
Hostel number 5.
Hostel 5, right? So tell us more about the hostel.
Yeah, rooms are well maintained, furniture is good, and we
Very
enjoy a
neat
lot.
and clean.
We enjoy a lot.
We enjoy a lot. This is a really nice line. It feels great when someone says that we are really enjoying and comfortable away from home. So that is a really good thing to hear. Thank you so much. Enjoy, people.
Thank you.
Hello. Okay, so there's a random question, okay? Can you tell me what your favorite color is?
Peach.
Peach? No, it has to be white. Ask why.
Why?
Can you look around everywhere?
Apparently.
That is why it has to be white. It's snow all around. It's Christmas Eve. So, can you tell me which university you're from?
I'm in KNMU, Kharkiv National Medical University.
And how long you are here?
It's been 2 weeks around 2 weeks.
So, how was your experience in these 2 weeks?
My experience has been very amazing, like stepping out of my country, visiting another country, staying here, making new friends and visiting places here. Amazing. Truly amazing.
That is really good. Okay, so can you tell me more about the hostel or the university? Have you been to the university?
Yeah, we've been to the university for all the tests and all, and the staff there is good, the faculty is pretty amazing, and everything out there is gorgeous. Like especially the campus, it's very pretty. and everything around there. And hostels very amazing, food very amazing, plus the staff members very cooperative, very helpful. Seniors especially very caring seniors. You call them like 2:30 in the night, they're there for you. Amazing.
So everything is amazing. You can see there's no difference between seniors and juniors. We all are friends here.
We're family rather. We're not just friends, we're family. More than that.
Yeah, so you have an amazing experience. I wish you all the luck. May this
you
year
so
go
much.
really nice.
Thank you so much. I wish the same to you.
Thanks. Thank you.